Okay, guys, super excited. So this is the homepage. So if you type www.antoniomakes.com, this is the screen that comes up with. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you the website and how to operate it, and then I'll show you the catalog at the end. So, okay, so I have tried to make things very easy, easily accessible to everybody. So that's the website. So in here we got my social media tab. So if you can follow me on YouTube, that would be fabulous. On Instagram, Facebook group, I'm on TikTok, and I'm on Pinterest as well. Okay, so that's my social bar. On here, this is the area when every time you make a purchase, the first time you make a purchase, you need to log in and create an account. Okay, so I have tried it myself. So I made myself an order. I was my own first customer, just to try you guys and make sure that everything is all right and the transaction was smooth and everything. So the only payment that I accept is PayPal. PayPal is the safest transactional payment on website. I didn't want to get any other credit card or debit card because it's not safe, guys, and I don't want you guys to get into trouble with any problems with datas and payments and stuff like that. So PayPal is super safe, and that's what I use to make purchases. So I thought I'll use that on my own website. Okay, so yeah, so all transaction, the only payment method that I accept is PayPal. Okay, so this is the homepage. On here, you can filter by collection. So I have three main collections: Vintage Attic, Mother Nature, and Around the World. And as I go along, all the new kits will be part of these three categories. And of course, there are bundles. So far, I have three bundles, just to show you really quickly. So one is the Imperial Indigo background papers. So you get 5 kit for the price of £9, so you save 20%. The other bundle is the Ephemera bundle. So you get 3 Ephemera packs for £6.25. And the biggest bundle so far is the Blurry Butterflies complete collection bundle. So you get 6 digital kits for the price of £11. As you can see, guys, I made the price very easy and accessible to everybody. I think they're really reasonable prices. So on here, if you click on videos, just to come back on shop. So this is the main homepage. Okay, so you see all the kit, and then if you see something on my website, you can type it here. For instance, butterflies. So if you type that, you see all the relevant kit that comes out with the word butterflies and so on. So you can search anything that you want. Okay, then you click on shop and you're back to the home page. So I'm not going to show you the kit one by one because I'll show you the catalog in just a second. On here, on the bottom of the website, you got the VIP lounge. Okay, this area I designed, and this is following few of you guys' ideas that sent me on the comments when I was talking about the website in the very beginning. So I have created a membership subscription offer. So you can subscribe and you get, for 1 year subscription, you pay £45. What you get 20% unlimited discount for the entire catalog for the full year. Okay, so the date of the activation, you get 20% off all the website for the full year. You also get a complete kit of 11 pages directly to your email address once a month. Okay, so once a month you get a kit that is designed specifically for the VIP membership. It's not a catalog that you will see on the website. It's specifically designed to all of you guys that is subscribing to this membership offer. And also, every time there is a sale or there is a specific promotion, and also design promotion specifically for all of you guys that part of the membership program. Okay, so it's £45 a year, which is probably less than £4 a month. So very accessible. So going back to the homepage, on here, if you click on this, you can download my catalog. Okay, so as you can see, it's loading. This is, I use the Mac, is a MacBook, but if you use Windows, it's the same. So you can click on that and you can download the catalog, and you can decide where to save it. Okay, I'm not going to go into details, but I'll show you the catalog in a minute. Okay, so I'm going back to the home page. So that's when you just click on the PDF and you just download the catalog for free. On here is when you can sign up to my weekly freebie. So every Friday, I send you guys a freebie to your email address. And also every week, there is a cheeky offer just specifically designed for all of you lovely ladies that joined my newsletter so far. Okay, so if I go back, so on videos, I organized all my videos by categories. So I got all my junk journal videos. So if you click here, it will take you straight to my YouTube playlist. Card making, cooking, DIY beauty cosmetics. Yes, a lot of you don't know, but I'm obsessed with making my own cosmetics. Been doing it for over 10 years. So if you click on that, it takes you straight to the YouTube playlist. Baking, yummy, yummy, and craft, all the generic craft videos I have on my YouTube channel. Here is the creative squad. This creative squad are a group of extremely talented and creative artists that have decided to kindly accept my offer to be working with me. So these talented guys, we got Eric, Francesca, Joy, Julie, Natalie, Steph, and Wendy. I got few more ladies joining by the end of the month because they have already had the commission and also they're traveling. So yeah, by the end of the month, this lovely group of people will be slightly bigger. So please go and follow them, and you'll be able to see what they create with my kit. So please go and show these lovely ladies and gent, lovely Eric, a lot of craft love. Okay, freebies on here. You can get access to my entire catalog of freebies. Simply send me a message in the contact form, which is coming up in a minute. So if you send me a message on the contact form, you get all the freebies I have shared in the newsletter so far this year. Frequently asked question. So this is the question I think you guys might have. Will I receive physical products? No, because they're all digital. How do I access to my files? You simply need to create an account, and when you make the purchase, I'll send you the file through WeTransfer. So you'll get a link from me or through WeTransfer. You just need to accept the download and you'll be able to download your files into the computer. Okay, so if you don't get this email, you either didn't type your email address correctly or it's going to your spam or junk folder. So go back and check in there. But for any problems, I'll show you the contact form in just a second. What's the angel policy of Antonio Make Digital Kit? So all my kits are copyright protected. I'm basically working with a third-party company. I have to pay quite a lot of money to secure all my digital kit to be copyright protected. Okay, so if you try to be naughty and sell my kit into Etsy or other platform, I contact this company and they will deal with naughty people. Okay, about just a few bits about myself so you can read it. That's my village where I'm from, so you can see my lovely sea. This is where we're going to go and swim. And a few bits about my work. Contact, this is the contact form, so you can either send me an email to antoniomex@hotmail.com, or you can just simply type your name, surname, your email, and your message, and I'll reply to every single email that I get. Store policy. This is very important, guys. Before you purchase anything, you need to accept the terms and condition. It explains you all the order, the digital kit, the printing, the refund policy, the angel policy, what you can do, what you can't do. Okay? So please make sure you take the time to read that. Oops. Yes, my computer is about to die, but no worries. We almost finished. Okay, and this is your privacy and safety information, your payment method, and your discount code. Last but not least is the gift card. So I thought when I was just building the website to create a new gift card. So if you have crafty friends, or if you want to treat a friend or even yourself, you can buy a e-gift card. Okay, so from £5, £5 is the minimum amount to make a purchase on my entire website. So you can choose between £5 up to whatever. There is no limit. You can select an amount. If you can click if it's for yourself or for somebody else. If it's for somebody else, you type the person email and the person that's receiving the gift card email and name, and when you want the gift card to be sent to. So you can send it now, you can send it on a birthday or a special occasion, and don't forget to put a message. Okay. Now, when you buy the gift card, you can't buy the gift card as well as kits, so have to be two separate transactions. So the gift card is one transaction, and then if you want to buy kits for yourself, it has to be a separate transaction. This is because the gift card is part of the website that is linked to a separate transaction. Okay, so to recap, you select the amount if you type for yourself or somebody else, the person that you're gifting email address, the name, the person's name, when you want the e-gift card to be sent, and the lovely message. Okay, very, very simple and very straightforward. Okay, let me show you the catalog on the desk now, guys. Okay, so I want to show you the catalog in this way, so rather than show you on the screen, because it's so much easier for you to see it. So I showed you how to save it, and this is how I printed mine. So I put black cardstock on the back, and then on the front I just put an acetate, so it helps to protect the cover. So you got your content on page 2, and then from here you've got every single page. So as you can see, for example, I'm not going to go into too many detail because you can just see this yourself. So for instance, this kit that you've got the name of the kit, which you can put on the search bar. So Ethereal Egypt. So you've got this kit includes 9 pages, a selection of background, tags, and ephemera. Enjoy. So this little code here is EE001. It's a code that I write down so I can see it just purely for administration on the kit on the website, so don't worry too much. That is the price, and then those ones are the pages. So each page is an A4, so it's the same size as this one that you see on the screen. So for instance, this kit has got 9 pages, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you've got a couple of tags, couple of embellishment, a pure plain background, another background I designed purely thinking this page being an A4, like a proper journal page, another one, couple of ephemera and some butterflies, and again some more embellishment. So again, every page that you see on the catalog is follow the same principle. So for instance, this here is the sassy stamps. So again, this huge kit includes 15 pages with over 400 replica stamps. They are not original, floral embellishment, and a collage sheet. So here, this is my entire collection of replica stamps. So you've got 15 pages, which is those one, and each page again is an A4. So bear that in mind. Okay, so each of this page is an A4, which is international size. Is I guess it's 8. I'm sure it's 8. No, it's 11.5 by 8. Okay, so that's the size of A4 and so on. So you've got all the kits in here. Okay, and then I want to show you the bundle. In fact, if you've got on the contents, you've got the bundles listed, one at page 12. So I found it for you. So on here, so that's the first bundle. So on this here, the Bubbly Butterflies collection includes 6 paper pads. Okay, you can buy the entire collection as a bundle for £11 and save 20% off. So what I did, a set of collection, this is one, so you get 6 kits you basically one is for free because you save 20% off. Okay, so you only get it for £11. Another bundle is the Ephemera bundle, which is page 20. So again, I made it super easy to navigate, so you can print this, or you can keep it on your computer or on your screen, and then you can just go back all the time. I just print it because it's easy for me. So this is ephemeral, the ephemeral bundle. So you get the 3 ephemeral kits. Again, for you save 20%, so you only pay £6.25. So you got the entire 3 packs. And the last bundle is the Imperial Indigo collection, which is page 29, 27. Oh, which is the last page. Okay, so you've got 5 kits. You again get 20% off, so you get it for £9. Okay, and the last page is this beautiful page. You can use, I say, as a freebie, so you can just print it and use it. Just a little present for you guys to play with. So when you print the catalog, you can print this page on its own, or you can just use it all the time. It's one of my favorite, hence why I gifted to you as a freebie. You got a floral background with another floral on top of it, and then this gorgeous blue butterfly. Very busy, more is more, like I am. Okay, hope you like it. And then again, I'm trying to make it very user friendly, so you can just print it and have it there. So if you're not sure if you want to get a kit, so you can just looking at the page and decide what to buy. Okay guys, I hope you like the website, and I hope you will find it easy to navigate, and mostly I hope you like the kits. And I'm really looking forward to hearing your feedback about the kits, and I want to see really what you're going to make with it. I'm really excited, really excited. It's a project that I've been working on for the last 6 months, so, and I'm working on the next collection, so hopefully in the next few months we will see another drop of beautiful kits. Okay, cheeky giveaway time. I just put this one of the kits, just Alicia, something cute to look at. So giveaway time. I'm giving the opportunity to 3 of you. They are visible subscribers and also active subscribers. So YouTube can make me check every single subscriber if he's leaving comments and likes and so on. So giveaway, I give you the chance to pick one of the kits that you like most, and I will send it to your email address. So I'm gonna leave it open for a week, just to give you the opportunity to everybody to watch the video. What you need to do to enter, you need to be already a subscriber, so you can't just join in, subscribe now and join the giveaway. So to be an active subscriber, and I will check. And just leave a comment down below, just say, please enter me into the giveaway, and then I will just pick a random winner, 3 random winners next week. In fact, let's do in a week today, so we're picking up one next Sunday. Okay, good luck everyone, and thank you so much for your constant love and support. And this is the little way for me to say thank you to you guys. Honestly guys, I just want to take 30 seconds to say thank you to every single one of you for the continuous love and support on my YouTube channel, or lovely comments that you leave on Instagram, on YouTube. I really read, and Facebook group as well. You guys are amazing. Honestly, just thank you for the bottom of my heart, and I'm hoping that you will like the kits, and you will continue to support me on this journey that is on my next step. So yeah, really thank you to every single one of you. All right guys, that's it. I will see you tomorrow for a normal video, so a normal Monday video, and I hope you had a lovely weekend and a nice beginning of a new week. See you soon guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.